صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Chapter on a man should rub his hands on the ground after he has performed Istinja. Abu Huraira narrated, when the Prophet, peace be upon him, would go to the area in which he would relieve himself, I would bring him water in a pot or sometimes a leather container for Istinja. Abu Dawud said, in the narration of Wakia, then he would wipe his hand on the ground. Then I would bring him another container for wudu. This hadith is graded Hasan or good. Abu Dawud said, the narration of Aswad ibn Amir is more complete. Footnote, regarding that statement, the narration of Aswad ibn Amir is more complete, meaning that the version of Wakia, of which he cited part in the midst of this narration. Comments. It is recommended to rub one's hand on earth after relieving oneself. This ensures greater purity and removes any bad odor. In places where clean earth is not available, as in cities, soap is a good substitute.